Got a 2018 HRV. I'm replacing the cabin air filter. It's kind of dirty inside. The car is. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, really quick. So here it is. Go to the passenger side and open the glove box. And once you open the glove box, this latch right here, you're going to push down on it, which is going to release it. It has a little hook deal. And then on the inside, you're going to push to get both of these latches past this. And it's kind of hard to do with one hand. And all your stuff can and will fall out. Then here's the door. We're literally going to, I don't know if I can hold. Let's see here. Let me get this phone. Alright, so right here, and on the same on the other side. Anyway, once you get that door off, there's the filter. You just pull it right out. It does have airflow down, and if it was upside down, the lettering would be upside down. So you just, there's harder edges are going to go on the left and right side. So you wouldn't be able to see this lettering because it's going to be on the left or right. Just like that, and it slid right in. Shouldn't be too hard to get in. And then we're going to put the door right back on, and it has lettering on it too that says up. Just like that, and then we're going to close it. You just push on it, and then we're going to hook this latch back in, pull down on it, and push up on it, and it'll latch back in just like that. I hope that helped. Hope you got your cabin filter replaced, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.